Alright, I got to take the crank bolt off of a Honda, and we're going to see if the old Milwaukee can knock it loose. We're going to grab the 2763 here, the 1/2 inch impact, see what she can do. Tell you what, the 3/8 inch set of sockets from Sunex that I got, I did that video on, they've been awesome. We can't use those though. We're going to have to use a 19mm, also Sunex, 1/2 inch. Hondas have 17 and 19 variations. This one's a 19. Alright, can you guys see in there? Alright. Full battery, full power. See what she can do. Not even an issue. Tell you what, if you don't have one of these, you need to get one. Now if the standard socket didn't work, I got this, what's the model number of this? 77080 from Lyle. If I could take it out one-handed. There we go. You can see this is a big old heavy duty impact socket, especially made to take those crank bolts out. But as you can see, we didn't need it. The standard Sunex with the Milwaukee 2763 knocked it out no problem. Tell you what, if you have not gone to electric impacts and you're still using air or don't have any, this is the way to go. So convenient. No airlines or anything else. These things just work awesome. In any event, hey, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.